Hey yo, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's a sunny day today, but check out the environment. It's super fresh, over fresh. See, I'm loving it. Everything looks so fresh today. Maybe that is the reason why I came on. I shouldn't be walking out for long, but I just took bath, so I don't feel anything right now, although I am under the sun. See? Things looks better on camera. With my bare eyes, it's not as beautiful as how it looks in the camera. But never mind, chalega. That's the
Guys, check out this bag. Love effect when I did this time.
Alright, I'm about to produce horror sound. I think I'm good at that. Ready?
Yep. Chopper color.
Please turn off the sound. Yeah. Ready?
Start now. Saitan mota lago na. Saitan mota lago na, mota la.
Alright.
Best devil.
Next.
Hi TV, and watch ANI na? ANIWATCH.
Refugee.
Ini watch.
This video goes to 7
Chopper color.
Beatbox. Next. No.
Okay. Let's go.
Not me. I'm doing my best. Ciao. Oh man, it's good to be around here. It's a little chilly right now. I think it's about to rain. And drizzling a little bit. There was a big fishery right here before, but it's no more. All dried. What's up, bro? Drama started? Yes. Hey, Mr. Aesthetic. I'm a family aesthetic man. Hello, charger. Dureza. Oh, see. It looks like, I don't know. Forget it. Huh? Kiba. See, I just took bath now, so I feel much better, cooler. Mara. See, anime going on. If you guys haven't watched it, you should watch Ninja Kamui. That was last year's, but still one of my favorite. New suit. Yep. I think I'll continue watching this episode. Oh. And they drink tea. Already, this cup looks like the cup from Kabir shop, yeah? What is this?
This is Punjabi tarka.
We just woke up, bro. I think everyone is a fan of anime. Alright?
Zoe.
Mara, after so many days,
Finally 4 years complete.
exam khatam. Life set.
Hey.
Yay!
Yeah, maram. Fun ko eh. Ite kota bisara humay na tiga mo kya. Kota ko na de.
Aya, gay shit.
Tagi tiga na tagi.
Yes. Dan dua kap.
Tiri ka. Oi.
So we are walking and he's riding.
Akala tayo dia zero.
So, pump to kinli na.
Oi, Azan, buy pump.
Akala mo tayo dia zero.
Special chana available in.
I had this boy again taking videos. You upload, no, you wait.
No way.
I knew you'd say that, that's why.
Wait.
let's-
Ow!
Come, let's see the process of making chana. Aha.
Wait, I'm busy. Hello? Ow.
File transfer से नहीं सबमिट तो अपना कंप्लीट नहीं था
Yes?
हम लाना फाइनली इसने तो लैपटॉप लगा सीधे बात लाना
Tolo.
Well, best chana.
Transgender. Transgender.
Kun. May transfer made made sila.
Mila no.
स्टूडियो खाएंगे ना तो क्लिक कर दीजिए मैं
Malayali boy.
Exact transgender.
Oh. Hey, 12% the bullet.
Now I will take a bite. Ito.
ये देखो रे चकी संगुला से kan lo na jaga na papa no
Non-stop kaza idura.
पेन ड्राइव तो सब का
I think I will just end it here. We came here to trim our hairs, but our barber shop is closed. Huh? Oh, hold up, wait, I gotta continue. Okay, so like say, we came here to trim our hairs, but barber shop is closed, and my friend was here too. He just left, so I had to go and say bye. I think that'll do for today because as right after this, I'll be editing and uploading, so I won't even call it edit, man. And it's almost time, so that'll be it. It's been a while I did not upload, so here is it, a simple random one. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video then. Bye bye. Don't forget to watch, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.